Hello guys, welcome to madstech. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified. This is Migrate custom ROM migration tool. If you are a custom ROM lover like me and frequently change custom ROMs, then this video will be helpful for you. In this video I am going to show you how you can transfer apps easily from one custom ROM to another with the help of Migrate tool. Please watch this video completely. If you want to activate your Windows 10 with official retail key, that too in only 445 Indian rupees, here is a video card for same and the website link will be there in the description box below. I am personally using the same key, so you can trust this site. Magisk Manager must be installed to use Migrate app. Download Migrate app from the Play Store. Download link will be there in the description box below. Open Migrate app. Now tap on backup button. Tap on proceed. It will ask for the permissions. Allow it. Now again open Migrate app. Tap on backup. Here you can select app, data and permissions. Choose according to your preference. By selecting all three options, we can backup WhatsApp chats, data, videos, audios, everything. After selection, tap on next button. Here you can select contacts, call logs, app installers. I am not selecting contact because my contacts are already backed up on my Google account. So I want SMS messages, call logs and app installers. Now click on start backup. Here you can rename the backup file. Backup will take some time according to size of your backup. As you can see, backup is taken successfully. Tap on OK and close this. Let's go into internal storage. There you will find folder name Migrate. In that folder, you will find backup.zip. In my case, it is .zip. You need to transfer Migrate folder from your internal storage to safe place like your pen drive or PC and flash custom ROM of your choice. In my case, I flashed Pixel Plus UI. If you want to flash that ROM, here is a video card for same. After flashing new ROM, you need to log into your Google account. After that, download Migrate app. Also download Migrate Helper app and Migrate Flasher app. And you need Magisk Manager pre-installed. If it's not, you need to install Magisk in order to root this ROM. So let's boot it into TWRP recovery. Now flash magisk.zip, swipe to confirm flash. It will be flashed in a matter of seconds. Now wipe cache and Dalvik. Reboot system now. You need to transfer that Migrate folder into internal storage, which we have backup earlier. Magisk must be installed. Open Migrate Flasher app. Tap on Flash Zip. It will ask for the permissions. It will also ask for root permissions. Grant all the permissions. Now select zip and select that .zip. Here you can select all. Tap on next. Swipe to flash. Now tap on finish button. Tap on open. Here click restore apps and data. Grant the permission. Here you can select as per your preference and tap on restore button. Tap on go ahead. Tap on install. Allow. Select migrate add-on SMS as a default. Apps will be restored. It will take some time according to your update size. Now tap on finalize button. Tap on change and change the messenger to default messenger and tap on finish. Your device will be rebooted automatically. Just unlock the device. Let it start. As you can see, your all apps are restored now from one custom ROM to another custom ROM. All your WhatsApp data, images, audio files, chats, everything will be restored. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified.